Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with our friend Sophie. Say hi, Sophie.
Hi, Sophie.
I fucking hate that joke. I don't think these people understand how much I hate that joke. Anyways, today we're gonna hear ask Sophie a very important question. Sophie, what is your favorite farm animal?
Ooh, this is a great question because some people don't think this is a farm animal, but I say the duck.
Why'd you take my job? Why'd you take the mic from me, guys? Anyways, a duck?
I fuck with ducks.
Is duck a farm animal, chat?
I also like cows.
Heifer. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, the filmer wants to speak.
I think duck is farm animal. Duck in pond, pond on farm, duck farm animal.
Anyways, hope you guys liked this video. Please let us know in the comments down below. How do you feel that a duck is a farm animal in Sophie's and Elizabeth's mind? I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. Anyways, like, subscribe, check out my Patreon page and her SoundCloud.
Hell yeah.
Toodles!